Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fish game not launching or not opening won't start stuck on black screen around PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users just click on Steam option over here. Now click on exit. After that click on Windows icon, click on power, select restart. This will restart your PC as well as Steam. After that launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to update your graphics card. So for that go to the search option. From here you have to search for device manager. After that expand a display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics cards. After that launch the game and check. Other graphics cards link is already mentioned in the description, just go through it, either Nvidia, AMD or Intel, and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Or if you are opening the website, just go below. Here you have to manually enter all the details of your graphics cards, and after that you can click on the find option and further details will be available over here. So you have to simply download your latest graphics cards, update it or install it, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to run the game through firewall. So for that go to the search option. From here you have to search for Windows security. After that you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add your game to the list, from the list you have to select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and check whether it's working or not. Next method is to modify launch option. So for that go to Steam, under library section select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Under general you have to type -dx11, launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. If this also doesn't work, come back again, type -d3d11, launch the game and check if it's working now. But if the issue is still continuous, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to run the game as administrator. So for that go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage and click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where a game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working now. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Next is to increase virtual memory. So for that go to the search option. From here you have to search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where a game has been installed, and after that select custom size. In the initial size type 12288, in the maximum size type 24576. Click on set, click on OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, next is to update Windows. So make sure your Windows is up to date. For that go to the search option. From here you have to search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates, wait for some time, and once it is updated, now launch the game and check whether it's working. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on install files, click on verify integrity of game files. Just click on it, wait for some time, it will verify, and once the verification is completely finished, now launch the game and check whether you can play it. Next is to disable in-game overlay. So Steam users just go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to clear cache on Steam. So for that go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache beside the clear download cache. This will clear a local download cache and restart Steam. Confirm it. After that log into Steam and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that go through the link I have already given in the description. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, open it. You will get repair or install option. Whatever option you get, click on it, click on yes, and after it is finished, close this. After that you have to restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, launch the game and check. Next is to check graphics settings of the game. So when your graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issues. Next is to disable antivirus software. So if any antivirus software is installed on your system, you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game, and after that check if you can play it. Next is to close background apps. For that, go to the search option, search for Task Manager. Here under background process tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background. You just have to select it, and after selecting it, right click on it, click on End Task. This will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check whether it's working. Next is to disable overclocking of CPU or GPU. So if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background, then you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game. After that, check if you can play the game or not. Next method is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option. From here you have to search for graphics settings. Now you have to add your game to the list. So for that, go to click on add a desktop app. After that, you have to go to the game folder, and from here you have to select the game, add the application, and after that click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference you have to select high performance. After that, launch the game and check if it's working. If the issue still continues and you cannot play the game, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on uninstall, and again click on uninstall. This will delete the game. After your game removes from PC, you have to restart your PC. So for that, click on Windows icon, click on power, select restart. Once your PC restarts, now launch Steam, log into it, and after that reinstall How to Fish game once again and click on the play button to check if it's working now.